Kapag sa isang company, sa sobrang dami mong challenges, ang importante lang talaga how you handle it. And I learned throughout the years na every time there is a challenge, it is always an opportunity for you to be better. Parang na-excite na nga ako eh. Pag may challenges, mas na-excite na kami kasi alam namin na there is room for growth. Kasi pag wala ka ng challenge, lahat nagagawa mo. Paano na wala ka ng growth, di ba? So that's why whenever merong ganon, tinitake note namin yun. So, bakit natin ito na-experience? So, hinahanap namin, nire-root cause analysis namin siya. And I think ang isa ring magandang nakatulong sa amin is because nag-immerse din kami sa personal development and self-development na kailangan kami as the founders, we should evolve as well. Kasi kung hindi kami mag-e-evolve, paano mag-e-evolve yung business namin and yung mga tao din namin.